We have to start with new topic, the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, the relation between the roots of the quadratic equation and the coefficients, and to obtain the quadratic equation having the roots. These are the three topics. Step by step you have to see the one topic. Within that, first topic is the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation means our general form of the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And if you want to find out the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, that time I will say that the roots of the quadratic equation we will find out like this: x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By this way you will get the roots of the quadratic equation. Then how you have to find out the nature of the quadratic equation, that you have to see. The part b square minus 4ac of the roots of the quadratic equation, you have to compare this with 0. And after comparing this part with 0, then you will decide the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Then according to that, here b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. This part b square minus 4ac, this portion is called as the discriminant the quadratic of the quadratic equation, and the denoted by delta, and this one is denoted by the triangle. This discriminant is denoted by the triangle. You will say that this one is called as the delta, or you will say that this is represented by capital D. So this is called as the delta. Delta means D is equal to, or discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, or you will say that D is equal to b square minus 4ac. The meaning of this triangle and the D is one and same. Only this portion b square minus 4ac, you will say that one is called as the discriminant. Everybody understand? Then this delta you have to compare with 0. The condition first, if this b square minus 4ac means this the discriminant is equal to 0, when delta is equal to 0 or D is equal to 0, at that time what is the condition that you have to see? If D discriminant is equal to 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. When discriminant is 0, value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that time the roots of the quadratic equation, whatever you will get the root, the nature of the root is the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Second condition, if discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, delta is greater than 0, that time the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. This condition, first condition, real and equal. But if the discriminant is greater than 0, that time the roots are real and unequal. And third condition, if the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, when b square minus 4ac value of the discriminant is less than 0, means you know that on the number line which are the values less than 0. So I will say that when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is the discriminant is less than 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. These are the three conditions, and in short I will write like that: if discriminant is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Second condition, when discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. And the third condition is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real, means no real roots. Very easy. So you have to learn these things. When discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. When discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. And when discriminant is less than 0, no real roots, or the roots are not real. From that, first question, solve first question of your textbook is find the value of the discriminant of the quadratic equation. An additional question I will say that you have to find out the nature of the root also. This one is the nature of the root. Whatever be, according to the discriminant, whatever be, you will compare with 0. According to that, whatever you will decide, that one is called as the nature of the roots. And from that you have to find out the discriminant, value of the discriminant from the given quadratic equation, and you have to find out the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. First compare this 1x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0 with standard form of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If I will compare this equation with standard form of the quadratic equation, that time a is equal to 1 will come, b is equal to 10 will come, and c is equal to minus 7 will come. Then you have to find out the value of discriminant. Value of discriminant means discriminant delta or d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b square minus 4ac means value of b is 10 square minus 4 as it is. In between a and 4, a and c, multiplication sign. Value of a is 1 means 4 multiplied by 1. Value of c is minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. In this condition, 10 square 100 will come. And if both numbers are negative, here you have to do the product. If both numbers are negative, the product is positive. According to that, 4 7 are 28 will come, and this will come 128. But this 128 you have to compare with 0. This 128 is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0. If I will ask the question that this 128 is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0, that time you will say that the discriminant 128 is greater than 0. If that discriminant is greater than 0, that time you have to say that roots are real and unequal. So I will say that the nature of the root is the roots are real and unequal. Everybody understand? Our first topic I explained here, and according to that, this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. This you will find out the roots of the quadratic equation by the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a, and this portion b square minus 4ac. Instead of solving whole problem or instead of solving the value of x, in short you will get the nature of the root by finding out the value of the discriminant. That's why I am getting, in short you have to learn these things. When discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If discriminant is greater than 0, that time roots are real and unequal. And when discriminant is less than 0, at that time you will say that roots are no real roots, means quadratic equation do not have any real roots. Okay, I think you understand this first topic. You have to learn these things and you have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.